Well, it's been a busy winter, and D.C. is cleaning up yet again after yesterday's snowy blast that hit the city and the surrounding region. We find D.C. News Now's Randy Bass live in Northwest D.C., where people are putting their shovels to the pavement. Randy, a lot of folks have been out there for most of the day.
Yeah, Mark, a busy day and just a busy winter season we have had here in Washington, D.C. so far. This marks our second major snowfall in just the last 6 weeks here in the district, leaving quite a few inches behind with it. Let's see, what are we working with here in Upper Northwest? Almost 5 inches left behind. Some of those snow totals are starting to shrink as rain starts to fall here, but still leaving a big mess behind for neighbors and crews to clean up today. Firing up the snow blowers and grabbing the shovels. Gary Thomas and a few others got to work clearing snow this morning in Glover Park.
Temperatures above freezing, so the snow's pretty easy to get up, so it's not much of a battle, you know, like the last snowstorm.
DC homeowners are responsible for clearing their sidewalks after snowfalls.
It's also tough as a working mom and trying to juggle all the obligations of the morning.
And Julia Macedo is new to the neighborhood. She's grateful Thomas stopped by and offered to help.
This was really nice that there were guys in the neighborhood who it could pay a few bucks to have clear the sidewalk so I can be a good neighbor and still get what I need to have done inside the house.
And along the National Mall, Carlos Ferrar with the National Park Service got an early start working to clear the snow around the Jefferson Memorial.
3 o'clock this morning.
But he doesn't seem to mind moving that snow off the slippery marble, now going on 36 years with the NPS.
Look at it. I mean, I was born and raised in this city, so to be able to actually take care of the monuments where I was born and raised is actually a blessing.
And there is another wintry mix already moving into the region, starting to see some very light showers fall here in Upper Northwest D.C. Keep in mind, though, D.C.'s snow emergency plan remains in effect into this evening. Make sure you're not parking your cars along those major snow emergency routes. You could risk a big ticket and getting towed. In Washington, D.C., I'm Randy Bass, D.C. News Now.